Hi everyone, welcome to my video. This video I'm showing you our factory, so you are having a factory tour through my video. So this is our office room. I work in that room. This is our meeting room and domestic office. This is our finishing room. So we are now currently manufacturing continuously carbonization furnace for Mexico customer, and his raw material is biomass waste, agriculture waste, straw. So that's the boiler grade carbon steel drum for the furnace. And at this area is our raw material, metal and pipe, sometimes stainless steel pipe, screws here. And we make our steel plate at this area. For small parts like the bearings, moldings and shaft at this finishing room. This This is our warehouse for electronics and control cabinet. Hi. Hi. So this is our horizontal carbonization furnace inner removable trolley and cart. A big screw conveyor. So that's the biomass briquette machine, semi-finished. And this the charcoal extruder part from cheaper part. And this room, when we finish the machine and after punching, we'll put here, waiting for loading the container. The smaller crusher, bed conveyors for the charcoal briquette production line. So that's for Sri Lanka customer for the whole production line, charcoal ball and shisha charcoal. This one make 25mm cubic shisha charcoal, and this one make round 40mm barbecue charcoal. And also it's air pump, automatic cutter, conveyor, mixer. So this one makes oval pillow shaped. Now, so this one is one stock rotary drum dryer for biomass sawdust, and they currently finishing the carbonization furnace of horizontal. This purification system. And this one is 1.2 diameter furnace, and that one is 1.5 meters. So you can see we have two models of continuous furnace, and this is the previous model, and this is the advanced upgraded model. And they are using for different budget. And if you want to know more details about the difference, you can contact me. So this is the vertical loading and unloading carbonization furnace for the briquettes, and we'll use the basket. This one is 4 working in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4. And every one outer furnace has 3 inner furnace to working one by one continuously. So this one almost finished also. This is another type continuously furnace, working 24 hours. And smaller capacity and lower price. If you have a lot of raw materials, you need to use a bigger one. If you only have few material and have the plan at the beginning, we can use the smaller as start. It's the refractory heat resistant bricks. So this is the whole overview of our factory. If you don't have a choice or don't have the opportunity to go into China, then this video will help you check and see how our factory looks like. This 3 meters horizontal furnace. Material. And our furnace bottom is not empty, it's fully assembled fabrics, so it can keep well the heat of the furnace and also able to produce higher fixed carbon content charcoal. So that means higher grade charcoal output. This 2 meters diameter mixer. This is the airflow dryer, hot airflow dryer. So our factory is specialized in the whole production line of the charcoal making, biochar making, and also biomass processing machines. So if you have your raw material and you have you don't know how to fix your raw material, so just don't hesitate to contact him for a solution. I will be always here 24 hours online waiting for you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.